Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the area of the square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 11 cm. Let us draw one square which is inscribed into a circle. Let that square be A, B, C, D. AC and BD be the diagonals which intersect at point O. Here we have given radius of the circle as 11 cm. Let us write first what is given here. Given radius of a circle, suppose OA equals to 11 centimeters. Therefore, diameter of a circle AC equals to 2OA. That is 2 into 11 means 22 centimeters, which is equal to the diagonal of a square. Let the side of square be x centimeters. So here in right angle triangle ABC, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So substituting values here, we get 22 square equals to x square plus x square. So 2x square equals to 484. Divide throughout by 2, we get x square equals to 242. Which is area of the square. Therefore, area of square, that is x square equals to 242 square centimeters. So our correct option is option C.